Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I put this video together to show y'all that the spirit realm is real, which makes God real. So these happen on different days, and I really don't know if this is part of my spirit team or if that's something that's trying to come against me. But either way, I want y'all to look at these and tell me what you think. Also, I think these are balls of energy. Not really sure, but that's what I think. And what I mean when I say which makes God real, not saying that y'all don't believe in God. I hope y'all believe in somebody or higher power. Because we definitely know that something is bigger than us. So that's what I meant when I said which makes God real. All of this stuff started happening when I started to figure out who I was. Like I started to see like different stuff. I still can't explain it all, but I do know that I have a lot of protection around me. Right here, it's pouring down raining and this thing still showed up. And it would always happen on days when I was going through like big shifts. So I don't know like what side it's on. But now that I sit and think about it, maybe it's on my side because my spirit team wasn't attacking it. Y'all, this is nothing compared to the footage I got. And it's like this is all of these things that I've seen so far, but there's other stuff that I have. And it's just amazing when you see the protection you have. So y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel because it's going to get real interesting over here. Also, the dates are on the bottom of all of these. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching and let me know what y'all think.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.